All right, welcome to the pre-auction video walk around, fly through for the equipment here at Parker Construction. This is all surplus equipment to their continuing operations. I mean, some of this stuff is brand new. Powermatic 2-bag, 3 horsepower dust cleaner. This is a brand new in the cart, in the crate. 18-inch Powermatic bandsaw, 22-inch planer, nice contractor's table saw. It's got the fence. It's a beautiful jointer here. Just absolutely gorgeous stuff. I mean, the table saw has been used and the dust collectors have been used, but this equipment is still in the crate. Absolutely brand new. Buy it at auction. I'll show you some other stuff that we have here at Parker Construction. This is all surplus to their ongoing needs. They have jobs in the Bahamas, all over New England. Very talented crew, just lightening the load a little bit. Framers, nail guns, chainsaws, nice shortstop bandsaw. These things were super safe, right? A couple of vent hoods, stainless steel vent hoods. This one's really super nice, got nice lighting in it. All the lights, beauty. That thing will cost you a ton of money. Power tools, backpack sprayers, all kinds of stuff. All kinds of fasteners and supplies and nails, stainless steel, galvanized. Just a ton of stuff here. I mean, you go buy this, you'll spend a fortune. Why not get it at auction? And we have a nice collection from a closed down service station. Snap-on and Craftsman top bottom toolboxes. A lot of tools. A lot of tools here. Snap-on, SAE and metric. Wrenches, moon wrenches, drills, sockets, saw blades, scroll saws, vises, shock and strut compression, nice tap and die sets, drill bits. This is a 2 horsepower Craftsman radial arm saw. It's all complete. Just needs to be put together. Nice 7.5 inch table saw, 10-inch band saw. The table here needs a little repair, but a lot of stuff. Nice miter box, router set. Nice little bandsaw for the garage. And to top it all off, you know, we got one lull here. We'll have a video of that coming up pretty soon. We got 97 sheets of this rigid insulation and 3 or 4 of these 14-foot TJI floor joists. So the inspection is May 2. Auction is May 5. Don't forget all the other auctions we've got coming up, including beautiful Narragansett Beach House and Walk to the Beach, folks, and always more auctions coming up. Don't forget, buy right, buy it at auction.